Carrots by my unappreciated.
Hey everyone, this is a long overdue video. I am so sorry. I want to say thank you to everyone who has been incredibly supportive, asking wonderful questions, requesting new content, and just being overall fabulous. I love it. I love you. Thank you so much. And again, sorry for the delay. I got back from South Korea and life just happened. So anyway, I want to keep this video super short and sweet. I may make other videos to go over a few other services. From the title of this video, I am going to review my experience with Botox and fat burning injections or fat dissolving injections. I had these two services done at the same time while I was in South Korea, and I have maintained these services now being back home in the United States. So I just want to share my experience with it, why I keep doing it, why I will continue to do it, and all the ins and outs. How much was it painful, all that stuff. So let's jump right in. So I got Botox because I grind my teeth and clench my jaw, and a mouth guard was just not cutting it. So my dentist recommended I get Botox around my jaw so that I can improve my teeth grinding and jaw clenching, because I was waking up with headaches, and I never thought that I would get Botox for the jaw clenching stuff. I figured it was just so expensive. It's not covered by insurance, and the mouth guard was fine. It was just a hassle. But it was not improving the clenching aspect, because the mouth guard would only protect my teeth from grinding, but it wasn't really doing anything for the clenching part. And that part was really increasing. I would notice that I would do it throughout the day sometimes. If I was really stressed, I would just clench my jaw. And I figured while I was in South Korea, I made an appointment for a different service, and Botox, or botulinum toxins, technically I think is the name, was an add-on service, and it was like $9, so why not? So I ended up getting Botox around my jaw to prevent or help with my teeth grinding and clenching.
So here I am at Petite Dermatology in the main building of ID Hospital, using a stainless steel ice roller to cool my jaw area to prepare for injections. And I know I look a sight, but I just got out of my revision rhinoplasty, so I'm a little bit loopy. And yeah, so I'll certainly make a video on that revision process and how that happened, why that happened. But right now, again, I'm just preparing for the injections by numbing the area with these stainless steel ice roller things.
I do not do pain well at all.
But you did what?
I know. Hopefully this is just like that.
They did say that after I had the injection to wait, I think about 3 hours to chew things. I couldn't have a chewy food, but that was it. I've had, again, no side effects, thankfully. The injection site was a little sore the next day, but that was pretty much it. And so, as I said, the why was because of this bruxism, which is the teeth grinding and clenching. Where, obviously, jaw. How much? It was $9 total, US, $9 US total, which is like 16th or even more the cost of how much it is here in the United States. So I am going to have Botox done every 4 months for a little bit of time. I was recommended to have it done at that consistency so that I can eventually get to a point where I only need to have Botox once a year. So it will get to that point. It'll get to a point where the muscle will just need it once, and I'm fine for the year. And I had it done at ID Hospital, where I've had the majority of my services and procedures done while I was in South Korea. And I actually had this done along with a different procedure, which is the fat burning injections.
As for the fat dissolving injections, I had this done the same day and in the same area as my Botox to target my double chin. So I will say that compared to Botox, the fat dissolving injections absolutely hurt. Just my experience, but it absolutely hurt. However, I did see incredible results. They say it takes about 3 weeks for you to really see results, and the progress will continue after the 3-week mark as well. But 3 weeks is really when you see those grand results, and I certainly did. However, I came back home at week 3 and those results did not really progress any further because I indulged in all the wonderful Southern cuisine. So had I not done that, I feel like I would have seen even better results, but that's okay because I only paid about 160 US, which compared to a lipotropic or fat dissolving injection like Kybella. Kybella is about 1,000 to 2,000 US per treatment, but you know, that price range is quite different from what I had to pay in South Korea. So I think the fat dissolving injections were absolutely worth it because I did see incredible results with my double chin. Again, had I not indulged in all the wonderful food, I probably would have seen better results. But in any case, $160 for what I did get, well worth it. It was painful, it was uncomfortable. The substance that was injected had this very like weird feeling. I can't even explain it. It was just really uncomfortable and painful. So that's the only downfall to the fat dissolving injection for the chin area. I do not have experience with those lipotropic injections in any other site or like location. So I really don't know how it would feel somewhere else. But in my experience with my double chin, it worked wonders and it was uncomfortable, but well worth it. So I really did try to keep this short and sweet. But anyway, I do hope that this video is helpful or at least informative for anyone that may be curious about Botox and fat dissolving injections. In my experience, I do believe that both of these services were well worth it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And as always, thank you so much for watching.